So this is Victor from Barber Honda, and today we're going to go over how to pair your phone to a 2020 Civic LX. First, we recommend you open your Bluetooth menu on your phone. Then we're going to click on the phone icon, which is the top right button. Then to select, we're going to use the knob on the right. You twist it and you press the center. It's going to remind you to click the center to search for your phone. It's going to remind us again, make sure your Bluetooth settings or menu is open. You select the middle button and it's searching for your phone. On some phones, it's going to ask you to allow new connections. Once you press that, your phone should show up there. Then you select it. A pairing code should show up. Just verify it's the same and click pair. Then it's going to ask you if you want to allow contacts. You can either press allow or don't allow. Now your phone is connected.